What up, people? Everyday friendly neighborhood cracker. Evil truth. Broke down, I got one in a 22. A little bit different of a video today. I got my first one of these. Yes, I'm a nerd. And this is my unpackaging video for my LootCrate. If you don't know what LootCrate is, there's a link in the bottom. 20 bucks a month. You get over $40 worth of nerd stuff in the mail. Normally it comes on the 20th. They ship them out on the 20th. It's the 16th. I just got mine. Awesome. So, let's get into this, shall we? Music by Wu-Tang. Alright. Let's see what goodies I got. What the hell is this? I got a little box. It's obviously it's Dead Rising 3 something. I'm not even gonna look in it. I'm gonna hold it like this and open it for the first time. Oh, wait. Shouldn't have closed my knife. My first LootCrate. First LootCrate video. Let's see what all we got here. Once again. Oh man. Oh man, that's pretty. Oh, it doesn't move, but that's still pretty awesome, man. Obviously, a weapon you can make in Dead Rising. That's pretty dope. Yeah, that's pretty dope. I like that. Let's continue. Sometimes they come with t-shirts. Mine did. Oh, that's badass. And it's cats. I'm fucking allergic to cats. Why's it gotta be cats? Toss that to the side. Cats. What the fuck is that? Man, I got How to Survive a Sharknado book. Alright, I guess I got some reading material. Oh man. Oh man. Man. Yo. Just got real, dog. 3D glasses. Obviously there's something in here. 3D glasses. Oh! Are these? I do believe these are temporary tattoos. Check that out. Yeah. I don't care, I'm rocking these for the rest of the video. It's gonna mess my vision up, but I don't care. It's gonna happen. Guess that's a little Walking Dead thing I got. I never watched Walking Dead, so I don't know much about it. And this looks... No, it's not the 3D thing, but still cool nevertheless. Alright, I'm taking them all. Oh, wait, no, I see what is 3D, so I'm not taking them all. I'll fucking tie you to a fucking bedpost. Man, I got a free game apparently. Or something for a game. Hold on. Let me cover some of that up so you can't get my code. So that's pretty cool. I said this. This is why I got the 3D glasses. I got a LootCrate magazine for Fear. And yeah, if you look at it, you can tell 3D. So I'm gonna have fun looking at that later on. Oh man, what's this? Okay, I got some toxic waste candy. Toxic waste candy. Man, it's my first LootCrate, so I'm kind of psyched about this. They normally always send a little pin. So I got a pin. That's pretty boss. Pretty spouse. Then, oh, man. I got a Walking Dead comic. LootCrate exclusive Walking Dead comic. What you know about that? That looks to be everything in my LootCrate. Pretty boss, if you ask me. The cat shirt, at least it's a skull. Cat's making skull. Awesome. But here's the inside of the LootCrate box. Yeah. Very, very satisfied for $20 spent. So, yeah. As always, hit the like button, subscribe, everything like that. The hashtag, it's been there. It's not a track, but the hashtag is still there because I'm gonna make people start using this hashtag. Until next time, guys. 2 up, 2 down. I'm sorry it's not music. Sorry it's nerdy. Haven't really had anything come to me. I got a show coming up in a couple days, so I've been focusing on that. But until then, y'all stay classy. And as always, just another day in the hood.